Hello. I hope you guys are doing really well. This is part 2 of our Quince review. Today we're going to be talking about clothes, but a few days ago I reviewed some accessories like bags and shoes and sunglasses, a few others too. So today we'll be doing an exclusive video about their clothing. Some of these are actually owned for a while, so I have property to speak about them. And some of these are actually tried on recently or just a long time ago. So I'll be putting the sizes in the description box below as well as my measurements for reference. The first piece I wanted to show you is this dress that I'm wearing here right now. The yellow is such a dream. I absolutely love this yellow. And it's in linen, 100% linen. It is lined as you can see, but to me it does feel a little bit sheer. So I wouldn't say it's completely sheer to the point that it makes you feel uncomfortable, but it definitely shows a little bit of the pocket. So I know that some of you won't mind this, but others will. So I wanted to make sure I would mention. Now, the highlight of this dress, in my opinion, is this gorgeous scoop neck. It does reveal a lot, but not in a way that feels too much, if that makes sense. It's not a V-neck, it's not something that's super low, but it does have this beautiful U-neck that to me it's so flattering. And it does have a smock back, which makes everything in place. As you can see, it's definitely a little bit loose for me around the waist, but that is normal. It's something I experience a lot with dresses and pretty much everything I try on. But again, my measurements are down below just to help you guys understand and see if this would fit you. The dress to me is really beautiful. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and definitely one piece that I would recommend. On the other hand, I tried a denim dress that I didn't like so much. It has nothing to do with the quality. It's just something that's not my style at all. I wasn't sure about the size, like the length, and I read a lot of reviews before ordering, and I saw so many pictures. I wasn't sure, so I ended up getting my usual size, and it fits everywhere, but in my opinion, it's just a little too long. I'm sure this would be great for some of you if you're tall or if you just like longer dresses. It's just a simple shirt dress that, in my opinion, would be great for spring, summer, as well as fall. Because if you pair this with a nice scarf or if you wear over the knee boots, I think it will be a really great look. The next one is also a dress. It's a black dress and it's in Tencel. And as you can see, it's quite fitted. I did size up for this one. I got the medium and it fits like a glove. I feel like it hugs me everywhere in the right places. There's one thing that might bother you if you have a little tummy, that's going to show. So some of their dresses don't show at all, but this one is one of them that does show a little bit. So if you're not comfortable with that, I would pass on this one because they have so many other styles. But I wanted to make sure I would show you because to me this dress is just gorgeous and I love how it hugs everywhere. It is easy to dress it up if you want, but also super easy to just put 10 sandals or just a raffia bag, something simple that would dress it down and make it perfect for a casual day outfit. The next one is a blue dress. It's kind of a teal. They call it olive, but to me it feels more like a teal, muted teal. And I had shared this before with you and a lot of you loved this and told me it looked a lot like Reformation. As I mentioned before, Quince has a lot of products that are very similar to other brands and the price is just much lower. So this one would be a Reformation dupe. It is a beautiful dress, very fitted on the top and the bottom is just flare and just so beautiful. And one of you told me that it didn't wash very well. So I don't know if that's one situation or the dress has a flaw or just the fabric is not great. So if you have experience with Tencel and these specific dresses, I would love to hear from you. I love this one because it has pockets and it just feels so feminine and just so easy to wear. This one doesn't show the belly at all and anywhere else at the bottom. So if you're like me and you have large hips, maybe you want to hide this or you want to emphasize. So whatever it is, I think this dress is just really great. Now the jumpsuit is in the same fabric and it is in this gorgeous color. This would be great if you have a short torso. I wouldn't recommend this if you have a long waist because as you can see, the torso part is quite short. So it does work for me, but I would say it's best for petites. It's just going to be more flattering if you have that type of body. But again, it's all about how you feel. Some people will just enjoy that even if they're tall. This is just my opinion based on how the jumpsuit looks on me. It is quite short, quite cropped. and I'm 5'5", 166 centimeters, just for reference, and I got the size medium for this one. Now I wanted to talk about their silk pieces because I have reviewed here on the channel, but I think it's worth talking about them one more time because they are washable, and that's probably one of the best features when it comes to silk. I think it's high maintenance and not everybody wants to, have a lot of work to get them washed and dried, and these are washable. So I love the fact that you can just wash without a problem and have them looking like new and enjoy the benefits of silk. So I tried two of their dresses. One of them is the short version, which you can see is in this champagne color. So beautiful. To me, I wouldn't wear this outside. I just don't feel comfortable wearing these dresses, these slip dresses outdoors, because to me it feels like loungewear, it feels like pajamas. But again, it's all about your opinion. Maybe you would like to wear this with a cardigan or something, or even as it is. Maybe you could get a darker color like navy or a dark green or black, and it doesn't feel like PJs, but this is just my opinion. I also tried the Midi version, which to me doesn't feel as much as loungewear as the other one, but it still feels like PJs. It's just a gorgeous dress. I love how this feels. It's just so luxurious, and it does feel quite thin compared to some silks that I have tried, but I do like that because it makes it really flowy and just so easy to iron or steam if you need. And again, it's washable, so it makes it very, very easy to maintain. I have tried also in that same color. This is the green. I think it's called moss green. And I have tried their shirt, which is also washable silk. And this shirt is amazing. I have worn this a lot for work. It's one fabric that I adore to wear over the summer or spring, fall. I just don't wear it over the winter because I definitely need knits. But it's one of those pieces that are just classic, really timeless, and you can have for the rest of your life. I have reviewed for you as well, and I have a video that is just about styling midi skirts, a slip skirt, and this is also in washable silk. I wanted to show you real quick since I already did a review on these. They are true to size and I absolutely love them. I'm not a fan of midi skirts on me. However, these two, because they're so flowy, they hug your body, they have a bias cut, which makes it even more flattering. And I really, really love them. They are in champagne and also this gorgeous gray color. Still with silk, I wanted to show you two more pieces, which are a Cami top and the Palazzo pants. They are in brown and they are not a set, but because they are in the same exact fabric, it can be worn as a set. And I love these. My gosh, I have this Cami top in maybe 3 or 4 colors. And it's a wonderful, wonderful piece to have. It is so inexpensive and one piece that's so easy to have in your wardrobe. It's really a staple piece. And you can wear with a blazer, with a cardigan, just under a shirt, anything you want, and it's going to be great. The Palazzo pants are gorgeous. I think they're so good. I have another one in black from Lily Silk that's quite similar, but it's so much more expensive. And the Quince one is just a lot cheaper. I would say that if you compare both of them, the Quince version does feel a little bit thinner and it does show a little bit of your belly. So that's something I wanted to mention because here on this channel we are honest. So I want to make sure that I give you all the information you need. This is really flattering and it does feel so nice. It's like you're wearing nothing. It's almost like you're wearing PJs to go outside, but this one's more elevated. So it doesn't feel like loungewear like the slip dress, at least not in my opinion. I really love these, especially together as a set. Now let's talk a little bit about linen because it is one of my favorite fabrics. I actually have a video about linen with many brands that I have tried and a link below if you guys want to see. The first one I wanted to show you is this linen top, which it has a smock back, which to me makes it so flattering. It is one of my favorite tops that I have tried from Quince. One of my favorite pieces, I can say. Especially for tops, sometimes it's hard to find a good one, and this one is just really, really nice. I love how this area here, this trim, just feels so fitted and so nice. It's almost like they made it for me. They tailored, and I think the reason behind that is the smock back, which I really like. So this one was a win-win. I love that it has a zipper. It doesn't have a lot going on. It's not like hard to put on. And one top that I really enjoyed, they do have in so many colors, and I didn't want to grab others. I just wanted to start from one to make sure that would be a good piece, and then I would share with you guys. But in the future, I definitely consider getting another color because I really love this one. It's true to size, small, and fits perfectly. I'm wearing that with the shorts, which are elastic shorts, and I'm not a huge fan of this style on me. I do have a pair of white shorts that I love from Abercrombie, and this one feels a little more tailored. So I would say if you're looking for shorts that are good for the beach or something very casual, maybe for a trip, and you're just going to walk so much and you're going to sweat and you want a very casual pair of shorts, I would say that these would be great. So these are really great for the beach or for the pool if that's something that you're looking for. They're a little bit sheer, as you can see the pockets, so I would say maybe the other colors won't look as sheer. I think for linen in white, it's really difficult to find a garment that's not going to look sheer. So that's why I'm saying these would be great for the beach, the pool, or something like that. I also tried their linen pants, also with the elastic band, and this one was amazing, amazing. They had in so many colors, I didn't know what to choose, and I went with this one. I'm so happy I did because first, I had a shirt, a t-shirt that was the same exact shade. I got this shirt a million years ago, and I love when that happens. Does that happen to you guys? You just get something new and then you realize that you had something in your closet that just matches perfectly. It's something that makes me really happy. And I love the pants. They are so flattering. If you guys are here on this channel for a while, you probably know that it's hard for me to find pants because of my ratio, the waist and the hips. Again, measurements are down below. I have a 70 on the waist and 102 around the hips. So really hard to find something that's not going to be gaping. And these do not. They do have a quite thick elastic band, but other than that, I think they are incredible. They have a detail on the sides, which makes it really interesting, and it also elevates a little bit. It doesn't feel like it's going to wrinkle as much because of this detail. And the length was great too. So I'm really happy with this one. True to size and definitely a keeper. The next one are the tailored pants, and although they're really nice, I don't feel like they're great for my body type. At least not a style that flatters my hips. I don't feel 100% in these, but definitely on the other one. I love the other one with the elastic. It's a totally different style, so I can't really compare them. I'm just saying based on how I feel wearing them. They are a great pair of pants. I sized up for this one. I tried the 4 and the 6. The 4 didn't even close, and the 6 was perfect. So the length was great. It is completely lined, so it doesn't feel sheer. It's one pair that will feel a little more elevated than the elastic. The elastic ones are way more casual, so it really depends on what you're looking for, but I really like how they feel. The linen is quite nice. It has the belt loop, which is nice if you want to add a belt. So I do recommend them. I just don't love them on me. Another pair of pants, because they do have a lot of different styles, I love that, different lengths, different style, is this one that's crop, and I'm wearing with the matching top. So these are in this gorgeous brown color, which to me feels great as a transitional piece as well for fall. I think it's one color that is just so good for fall, and I am looking forward to wearing these. I think it will look great with a little cashmere sweater on the top or like a cardigan. It's going to feel cozy and still a little bit summery. So I got both in my usual size. They fit nice. I don't think the pants are the most flattering if you have an hourglass curvy body, but other than that, I think they're really cute, very lightweight, and really comfortable, which is the best part about linen. Next, I wanted to show you real quick this cotton top, and this one I have worn a lot. I washed it yesterday and it's smelling so good. And I love how lightweight this is. It's one easy shirt to have. You can wear this with denim, you can wear that with matching shorts. They didn't have a matching short, so I was kind of bummed because I really wanted as a set. And I got this before my Miami trip because I was looking for something like this, like exactly like this shirt. It was a good price and it felt so nice when I tried on. It is 100% gauze cotton, which is so comfy. And to me, it just works really great as an overshirt. You can wear this as a beach cover up, which to me is just great. I got it in my usual size, and you can see it's quite oversized, which I love. So if you want something more fitted, I would say go a size down. But in my opinion, the shirt is supposed to look like that, a little more oversized. So maybe just get your usual size and it's going to be perfect. And the two last pieces I wanted to show you are in cashmere. And I know it's a little too early to talk about that, but I found a vest which obviously doesn't have any sleeves. And this is a wonderful, wonderful transitional piece from summer to fall. And of course, you can absolutely wear that during spring too, especially the early days when it's still a little cold. And this color is just a dream. I have something in this color that has sleeves, just a cardigan, and to me it's wonderful. I wore it so much, so much. I'm gonna show you guys. But when I saw the vest, I was really interested in trying because I've been wearing vests a lot. Actually, I have a video coming up very soon about sets, and I will be showing you some vests that I got recently and I've been loving. So this one is in cashmere. It feels so soft, very luxurious. I have another version of that, as I mentioned, and it didn't pill. I didn't see any pilling, and I have worn a lot, so I can't talk about this one in particular. But for what I'm seeing, it's a really good quality. And it does have some reviews on the website, so I did read them just to make sure I would get something that I was expecting. And I just love this one. It's my usual size, but you can see it's quite roomy. I unbuttoned a bit just to show a little bit of my waist, and it feels more flattering, at least to me. If I close all the buttons, it just doesn't look right, but once it shows a little bit more of my pants, it elongates my body and it just looks so much better. So I'm loving this one. Another one I wanted to show you that I got a while ago, but you guys asked me before, and I will do a video on Quince, maybe all about fall and winter, just all that kind of stuff for the cold weather. But I wanted to show you real quick because to me this is really worth it. I love their cashmere. Not all of them are the same. They have the $50 cashmere sweater, and I'm not gonna say it's bad, but in my opinion, if you have the money, I would spend maybe $20 more and get their baby cashmere the or other versions that are a little more expensive, but in my opinion they're better quality. And this one, the Fisherman cashmere, is just incredibly soft. It feels like a blanket. I wish you guys could touch the screen and just feel this because it's truly amazing. So these are the pieces that I wanted to share with you. Let me know if you have tried Quince before. I would love to hear about your experience. I know that so many of you love the brand and others can't order because unfortunately they only deliver to the United States at the moment. So hopefully this will change in the future and everyone can enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.